Hi, and welcome back to the Docentric Advanced Functional Training series. In this video, we will check the features found in the Docentric Improved Printer Print Destination. Before we look into the Printer Print Destination, we will first open some common settings related to it. They are under the Docentric AX Parameters tile, Print Destinations, Printer Print Destination. We will go through these settings in detail in one of the later video tutorials dedicated to the printing capabilities. Right now I just wanted to mention them because they influence the list of available network printers that we will see in the printer lookup in the Docentric Printer Print Destination. While we are here, we can also jump to the Network Printers form to see the active network printers in the current company. I have registered few real and few virtual printers just to have some interesting data. Let's now bring up one print destination form, for example by directly printing some simple report. I will use the number of workers report. As usually, we will first see what the standard SSRS printer print destination has to offer. The printer settings are here below and the printer selection is at the top. Printer selection is provided as a simple lookup. It is fine if we don't have a lot of printers, but there are also companies with 100 and more printers. In that case, you need to scroll through the whole list until you find the printer you're looking for. Not only that this isn't user-friendly, it is also error-prone. So let's see how the Docentric Printer Print Destination helps. We will skip the first two fast tabs as they are common to all Docentric print destinations and covered in a separate video tutorial. Under the Select Printer Fast tab, there is only the printer lookup. As the first option here, we see the default printer. If selected, it will print to the printer which is configured as default for the user who initiated printing. We will go into more details about the default printer feature in a separate video tutorial called Printing Capabilities. We can see that this is a searchable lookup with all columns needed to identify the printer we are looking for. For example, if I filter the list and search for the printers where printer name ends with number 3, it would be *3, and this would be the result. It is much easier to find and select the printer you're looking for in this way. Under the Printer Settings Fast tab, we see the same settings as in the SSRS destination. And what is the purpose of the Print as PDF Fast tab? If you have on-premises environment, you can ignore it, but you might find it useful if you have a cloud environment. We know that with the D365F&O in cloud, we cannot access the network drives, which means that we cannot automatically save the printed documents to some folder on our local network. As a workaround, you can use this Print as PDF flag. When we print to the printer, by default we send the document as EMF format. But when we enable this flag, we will force sending the document as PDF format to Document Routing Agent. And what happens on the array side in that case? Here is my Document Routing Agent. If I go to its settings, we see that it has this Run as Windows Service flag. If I turn it on, the field below it becomes enabled and it says Select the target folder for PDF files. The array runs on a network computer and is aware of our company network. In this field, I can point to some network shared folder. Now you see the connection to our Print as PDF flag. When enabled, we will send PDF files to the array and it will save them on the specified network shared folder. Unfortunately, we can't have some dynamic folder and file names, so this isn't a very flexible solution, but is still better than no access to network resources at all. If you want a full flexibility, please check our video tutorial about the Docentric file print destination and saving to Azure files. This was the Docentric improved printer print destination. We saw that it introduces the concept of a default user printer, then it offers a convenient and searchable printer's lookup, and it enables a basing saving of documents to network folders.